Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add event to your Windows 10 or 11 calendar. So you can add your event or task and it will remind you daily or weekly basis. So easy way, in this right side bottom corner you will see date and time. Click here. So this calendar will appear. Select the date and add your event or reminder. Time and location, you can fill some more details. Show as busy, out of office, or free. Reminder, you can set 12 hours or weekly. Event your description, then click on save. So this is the way guys you can add your event or reminder in your Windows calendar. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel.